Thank you so much for watching this video. Please make sure to subscribe this channel. This is part 2. So we are going to explain you REPT, write, and Roman formula. REPT formula. This function repeat a piece of text as a specified number of times. You need to specify the text to be repeated and how many times to repeat it. I'm just going to repeat it again. This function repeat a piece of text a specified number of items. You need to specify the text to be repeated and how many times to repeat it. Formula details very simple. You just need to mention REPT, text to repeat, comma, repetition, how many times you want to repeat that text, bracket close, and then enter. You'll get your result. Is any formatting is required? No formatting is required, guys. This formula works in every single version of Excel. Write formula. This function display a specified number of character from the right hand side of piece of text. I'm repeating again. This function display I specified numbers of character from the right hand side of a piece of text. Formula details, write, original text, number of characters required, bracket close, enter. You'll get your result. This formatting required? No special formatting is needed, guys. This formula works in every single version of Excel. Complete video details available in description box, so please copy and paste for your future reference. Create your own database, and we have a separate videos as well in which we already explained this formula with multiple and different kind of examples. So if you're facing any kind of difficulties to understand how this formula works, please subscribe this channel, because we have 100, 200, 300 videos related to Excel formula only, and without Excel formula knowledge you will not able to increase your Excel skills. Last formula for this video, in this video, Roman formula. This function produces a number shown as Roman numerals in various format. This function produces a number shown as Roman numerals in various format. Formula details, Roman, select your normal number, then Roman number format, then enter, and you'll get your result. Is any formatting is required? No, guys. This formula works in every single version of Excel. This is very interesting formula, because if you're working any kind of presentation or something and you want to show your number in Roman format, so you must know about this formula, because it's like very time taking job to convert every single number in Roman format. Use your keyboard. So I would really appreciate share your comments, so that we'll try to improve ourselves for you guys. And thank you so much for watching. Practice to make a man perfect. At least try this formula in your Excel sheet 1 or 2 times, so that you'll understand this kind of formula very well. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to copy and paste detail from description box for your future reference for your database. Have a great day. Have a great